In this video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Telegram limit exceeded. To fix and solve limit exceeded error on Telegram, the easiest solution is to simply wait for a period of time. Now, as the limit usually resets automatically after a few hours or a day, this is often due to sending too many messages, joining too many groups, or performing actions considered spam by the Telegram system. So if the issue persists on, you could try restarting the app and devices. So for that, you want to make sure to go ahead and long press the application first of all, and then go to I button or the app info section, go to permissions, then go to storage and cache. After which, you want to make sure to click on clear cache as well as storage. This is going to delete all of your data, but then you could go ahead and tap on it, and once you've done it so, you should be able to fix it so as well. So after which, you could also go ahead and reinstall the application, and at the same time restart your device. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, you could also check your action. That means review your recent activity on Instagram to see if you've been sending a large volume of messages, joining numerous groups rapidly, or engaging in behavior that could be considered spam or violated the terms and policy. The only way to get rid of this situation is by waiting for a couple of hours or maybe a day, or else you could also go ahead and contact the support team. If you're able to log in, then you could go to the home page and click on then you want to go to settings. As you go to settings, scroll down to the bottom and go to ask a question, and click on ask a volunteer and type in the message, and you should be able to fix the issue. However, if you're not able to log in, then you could go to the browser and type in Telegram support, and you should be able to get in touch with the support. At the same time, you could also ensure you have a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can sometimes trigger error message as well. Or else, if you've also checked for your VPN, if you're using a VPN, then you could actually go ahead and try disabling it, or if you're not using a VPN, try enabling it. That could be a helpful way to fix it so as well. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix and solve Telegram limit exceed, or else just go ahead and wait patiently, or you could try creating a new account. So that's the way you would fix and solve the Telegram limit. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.